Welcome friends, today's topic is special concrete. So let's get started. Here's the question. Explain special concrete. Write the name of types of special concrete. This is a picture of special concrete. The answer is special concrete. Special concrete is defined as concrete which meets special performance and uniformity requirements that cannot always be achieved routinely by using only conventional materials and normal mixing, placing, and curing practices. Special concrete are wonderful materials. These materials are often required for improved structural design, longer durability, or for other reasons such as sulfate resistance, acid resistance, water tightness, controlled heat of hydration, reduced weight, or radioactive shielding. Production of special concrete for such usage requires proper selection for type of cement and aggregates. Special concrete may be used for some special purpose for which special properties are more important than those commonly considered. Sometimes it may be of great importance to enhance one of the ordinary properties. The special applications often become apparent as new development using new materials or as improvements using the basic materials. Some utilize special aggregates, lightweight aggregate, steel fiber, plastic fiber, glass fiber, and special heavy aggregate. Some special properties increased compressive and tensile strength, waterproofing, and improved chemical resistance are achieved with polymers, either as admixtures or surface treatment of hardened concrete. Admixtures for coloring concrete are available in all colors. The oldest and cheapest is perhaps carbon black. Admixtures causing expansion for use in ceiling cracks or under machine bases, etc. include powdered aluminum and finely ground iron. Special admixtures are available for use where the natural aggregate is alkali reactive to neutralize this reaction. Proprietary admixtures are available that increase the tensile strength or bond strength of concrete. They are useful for making repairs to concrete surfaces. Some special types of concrete are as follows: polymer concrete, lightweight concrete, fiber reinforced concrete, ferrocement. Next is prestressed concrete, ready mix concrete, mass concrete, plum concrete, polymer concrete, high density concrete, precast concrete, controlled concrete, self healing concrete, fly ash concrete, silica fume concrete, self compacting concrete, transparent concrete, high workability concrete, no fines concrete, roller compacted concrete, sprayed concrete, water resistant concrete. Next is ultra lightweight concrete, vacuum concrete, shot concrete, nuclear concrete, GGBS slag based concrete, ternary blend concrete, colored concrete, pervious concrete, temperature controlled concrete, So dear friends, this is all about special concrete. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist related to construction and building materials related videos in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction and building materials related videos first. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.